Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a simple pizza flyer in Photoshop, and these are the resources you are going to use in this tutorial, and I'm going to provide them in the description below. So the first thing, we are going to open Photoshop and click on create new, and we are going to set the size to 1080, the width and the height the same thing, and in pixels. Then we click on create. Now we are going to have our workspace. Then we are going to unlock the background. Then we are going to create a gradient overlay here. So this is the gradient overlay. Then the color code, I'm going to show you the color code we are going to use here to achieve the same thing here. So double click on it, and now double click here, and this is the color code here. You enter the color code to have the same thing, and also the same to the right side. This is the color code here. Then we click on OK. Then now we go to our resource folder where we have our files, our resources. Then we click and drag them into the workspace. Then we set it to soft light here. Click and drag the light into the workspace. We made a duplicate here. Now we are going to increase the size of the light, and we set it to overlay. Then we go back to our folder again, then bring in our elements, that's the tomatoes and the onions and many more. Then we pick our text tool, then we are going to type pizza. Then after increasing the size, we are going to make a duplicate of the text. Decrease it. Then we change it to hot. And fresh. Then go back to our folder, then click and drag the PNG pizza into the project. Then now we decrease the size. Then bring our discount also into the project. I've already created it and merged them together, so you can recreate it, the 50% off, by using the ellipse tool to create the circle and using the gradient also to get the same color. And now we are going to create our, you use this one rectangle tool to create a rectangle here, and we round the corners and confirm from there. And I'll pick our text tool. Then we change the font to Arial. Then we decrease the size. Then we select everything together using the shift key and scale them. So this is how to create a simple pizza flyer in Photoshop.